Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a test. We're going to be testing the loudness of each one of these alarm clocks. I get a lot of comments saying that they bought an alarm and it doesn't wake them up, and they want to know how much decibels would a product produce. So that's what we're going to be addressing today. We're going to be testing all of these. I'm going to be using this right here to measure the loudness of these alarm clocks, because a lot of people they have such a deep sleep. They sleep like babies, or maybe they're buying this for a child and it doesn't wake them up. So let's start with the one on the left, and we're going to be moving to the one on the right. Okay folks, so I'm happy to say that we do have a clear winner. This one produced 84 decibels. This one produced 98 decibels. This one produced 96 decibels. And this one produced 100 decibels. So there is no question about it. If you want a loud alarm, this is the one to go with. Also, this one has a lot more things than these one do. This one has a night light, as you can see, which you can turn on and off. And you can charge your phone down here, and you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. So the other ones are more simple, and they don't have they're meant for different things. This one is meant for people with insomnia, so it has that projector lamp that produces a blue light that oscillates like that. It's like a wave. This one's just a basic dual alarm clock, and this one's also a basic dual alarm clock. P.S. I forgot to test this one, and you're gonna see the results right now. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.